What are you making? Making pizza, Mama? It's okay, it's okay. Wow. Okay, one. No. Okay, I need a little more than that. A little more. Just a little bit. No, that's too much, Mama. Okay, okay, that's good. Here, pour this. Here, Taym, pour. Yay! Good boy. Okay, yep, good job.
Oh.
Olive oil. Good boy. Here, pour the water. Good job. Apparently my fork isn't good enough for him. He wants his own. Okay, Taym. That's what you want to mix your pizza dough with? That's what we're going to do. Yalla. Okay, mix the pizza dough. Come on. Taym, the whole thing is supposed to take 30 minutes. We are down to 20 minutes, buddy. This includes baking time. For the sugar, the pepper, and the salt. Okay? And then here, put some garlic powder. Here, put the garlic. Can you pour some garlic in there for Mommy? Good boy. Okay. Now we're gonna do some onion powder. Here, no. Here. Taym, no more. No. Okay, put some onion powder. Here. Good boy. That's plenty. Okay. Now we're gonna mix. So Mommy added salt, pepper, garlic, onion powder, sugar.
Mama.
And last thing is the oregano. Here, you're going to add the oregano. Iftah, open. Here, I'm going to open it for you. You're going to pour this in there. Pour oregano. Yalla. Good job. Keep going. We made the tomato sauce. We added black pepper, salt, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano. We mixed it together. And then we have our dough. It has risen very fast. It hasn't even been more than 20 minutes. And then we have our mushrooms, our green peppers, our red onions, and we have shredded cheese. Now we gotta make our crust for our mix for Mama, please. Thank you. Yes, pour all of it. It's important to use all the ingredients. Okay, mix. Come on, mix. Yeah, mix, Mommy, mix. Here. No more. There's too many. You're gonna make us not like the sauce. It's not gonna taste good. Show them your dough, Mommy. Show them. Is that yours? That's yours. Wow. Oh no, Mommy. Push. Good boy. That's your pizza. Push, like this, Mommy. Look. Push, look. Like this. Like that. Taym's pizza dough. It's ready in his little 6-inch pan. And now it's time to make ours. So ours is much bigger. Put a little bit of olive oil on the bottom. And I'm just going to spread it out. There's no need to knead the dough with a roller or anything like that. It's not necessary. Okay, make sauce. Good boy. Mommy, not like that. Good job. Here, Taym, here. Yalla. Good boy. Sauce time. So, we're going to bake this for a few minutes in the oven before we put the sauce on it. Taym beat us to it. He couldn't wait and he put his sauce already. But we're just going to cook the dough a little bit before we add the sauce and the toppings. And we have the oven on 450 degrees Fahrenheit. And we're just poking the dough just a little bit with the fork so the bubbles do not form in the crust. And if you see while cooking it's forming a little bubbles, just pop them and keep just stick it back in the oven. So after 5 minutes of baking, here's the sauce I'm going to add to my pizza. And then you can add the rest of the toppings too. I like to cook it all the way almost first, and then I add my cheese the last thing because I don't like my cheese burnt. But it's your preference. a healthy one. It's a pita wrap for my husband. And it's just, I didn't put as much sauce, and it doesn't need to cook like dough, obviously. So this is a healthy one. This is Taym's, just cheese and sauce, and this is ours, our vegetable one. I just put the cheese on. Here is our finished pizza. We put the cheese, we broiled it. It looks delicious. This is Daddy's, or my hubby. And this is Taym's little pizza. Is it good? Tastes good?